Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
The only way, lime sorbet. Gather 1 cup of fresh lime juice, 1 cup of water, and 1 cup of granulated sugar. Zest 2 limes carefully, avoiding the bitter white pith underneath the green skin. Ensure all your equipment, including your ice cream maker bowl, is thoroughly chilled. This video will show you how to make the most refreshing lime sorbet. First, combine your water and sugar in a saucepan over medium heat. Stir until the sugar fully dissolves, creating a clear, simple syrup. Remove it from the heat and let it cool completely. This step is crucial for a smooth sorbet texture. Once cooled, stir in your fresh lime juice and the finely grated lime zest. This mixture is the heart of your sorbet. Prepare your sorbet base. Combine 1 cup of water and 1 cup of sugar in a saucepan to create a simple syrup. Heat the mixture gently, stirring until the sugar completely dissolves into the water. Allow the simple syrup to cool fully before adding 1 cup of fresh lime juice and zest. Once your simple syrup is completely cool, it's time to infuse it with that vibrant lime flavor. Stir in the 1 cup of fresh lime juice and the zest from 2 limes. Make sure to mix it well so the flavors are evenly distributed. This base needs to be very cold before churning, ideally chilled in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours or even overnight. A colder base means a faster churn and a smoother sorbet. Quick break and recommendation. If you're enjoying this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more recipes. On another note, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite for reading anywhere. Find the link for the Kindle and other great deals in the description below. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful and delicious, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us create more amazing content. And speaking of amazing, while your sorbet is chilling, why not chill out with a good book? The new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading anywhere, even by the pool. It's a fantastic way to relax. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description. Now let's get back to the video. Churn and freeze for perfection. Pour the chilled lime mixture into your pre-chilled ice cream maker bowl. Churn the sorbet according to your machine's instructions, typically for 20 to 25 minutes. Transfer the soft sorbet to an airtight container and freeze for at least 4 hours. Now for the fun part, churning. Pour your well-chilled lime mixture into your ice cream maker. Follow your machine's specific instructions, but generally, you'll churn it for about 20 to 25 minutes until it reaches a soft serve consistency. It won't be firm yet, but it will be noticeably thicker. Transfer this soft sorbet into an airtight container and place it in the freezer for at least 4 hours to firm up properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.